Today is another Harbor Freight day. It wasn't intentional. I just went yesterday, day before, and got that router. Well, the router didn't come with a case. It's got some small pieces that'll be easily lost, especially in my shop. So I went and got a carry case. I'm going to show you how I'm going to set this thing up to help at least attempt to make my shop a little more organized. Maybe you guys can grab a little bit of an idea here and copy what I'm doing, make your lives a little easier. Video where I showed what came in the box. We've got the owner's guide with the spare brushes. We have the collet wrenches. Those things will get lost pretty easily in a drawer. We have the fence. Again, that'd get lost pretty easily in a drawer. And the stuff would just clutter up the shop. Well, Harbor Freight in their Voyager brand has just the right size bag. I'm not going to video me doing it, but we have a side pouch that I'm going to roll up that and these in. And it's going to go in the side pouch since that's infrequently used. Once that's all together, that gets tossed in the drawer with routing accessories along with a set of router bits. No more clutter, nice and organized. Piece of advice. This black bag is cheap and very functional, and I'm using them a lot around my shop. I'm going to find, I have it in the house somewhere, I have a silver Sharpie. I'm going to mark what's actually on here, right about here, just palm router. Do the same thing on the other side, so I know what it's what's in it at a quick glance. So there's the palm router that goes in the routing cabinet. The 1/4 inch bit set that goes in the routing cabinet as well. And we're ready to do the small scale routing tasks. So those small scale routing tasks that I'm talking about are things like using the Rockler Signmakers templates. I've got some signs I want to make for the camper, for campsites. Just warm things up a little bit, just make it a little friendlier. And a little branding, nothing to be ashamed of there. It's, trying to build a theme here, trying to build a brand, and hopefully folks will respond to it. So that's it. That's what I've got for today. Hopefully that'll also, the bagging and everything I'm doing here, hopefully that will translate into a better organized shop, because trust me, if I did a walkthrough on my shop right now, you guys would be shocked, surprised, and somewhat disgusted at how messy it is. Well, instead of talking about it, the weather's decent, I'm going to get out there, I'm going to start cleaning it up again. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Feel free to go back and check out the old stuff in the videos list. There's a lot of really interesting stuff back there. I hope you stick with me as we move forward with our adventures and our projects. And like I've said many times before, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.